Welcome back to Beautiful Jungle, and welcome to my new subscribers as well. And if you've now seen this video, clicking on this video, welcome. Thank you for watching. Today I have something very special for you. I want to talk to you about a product that was sent to me to do a review. Yes, this review is for the RainPoint 2-zone watering system. Now you can see the box. Yes, so we're inside right now because inside we have it. Oh, okay, so let me tell you, it comes with, can you see that? You can't really focus on it. Can't really see it. Did it get unplugged? Why did it come off like that? Oh, that's Corey. Touch the light on the top. It's sophisticated. Again. Touch it again. Again. Okay, so this is the system that goes inside. That's inside the house, right? And it has electrical wire, the plug, and it also has battery. So if the electrical goes out, if the power goes out, it has backup battery inside of there. So you can control it from here, right? Yeah, you can control your thing from here. But the beautiful thing about this is that the app is on my phone, so we don't have that issue from when I went out to when I was on vacation and couldn't water. I can operate on my phone like water, and it also has a rain sensor on there. Ooh, you see, we got backup. Got backup power, the battery in here. So it has what do you say? It has the rain. It has rain sensor. It has
an add-on rain sensor.
Okay, Corey's gonna talk about it. Corey, tell the people.
Okay, so as another device to upgrade your system, you can add a rain sensor, and the rain sensor will allow the system to pause your watering plan when it's raining outside.
And this is?
No. It's upside down. That's the main.
I'm the model, okay? I'm modeling today.
That's the main port where the water comes out of once you connect it to your spigot. It comes out of zone 1, which would be left, or zone 2, which would be right.
Yes. So this is going to make your life so much easier. It's going to make my life so much easier. And I'd like to thank RainPoint for reaching out to me and asking me to do a review. So we're inside right now, so I just wanted to show you this part that stays inside plugged in, and then we're going to go outside and set it up and show you how it goes, okay? All right, see you outside in the heat. And that's another thing. You have this. Don't worry about the heat, you can operate it. Amen? Amen. Okay guys, so I am going to set irrigation. No, I'm going to set for them to come on, so I can just show you how it works. So I'm going to the left valve, and I'm going to press irrigation. I'm outside killing bugs. And let me see, I'll set it for 5 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes watering. And it's on. Yeah. So I set it for 2 minutes on my phone because the app is in my phone, and it has, you see the countdown that's coming on? That's on my phone. And then once that, and that's the left. Okay, so I'm gonna set it for the right valve for the same 2 minutes of watering, and it says confirm that that's what I want, and there we go. I usually set my my timer comes on at, for the watering, it comes on, I start watering at 7 p.m. The timer is set for 7 p.m. for 45 minutes on one side, and then the other side 7:45 for 45 minutes. So This is just a demonstration, but it's gonna come on again tonight
Come out of there.
for that time, 7 p.m. and 7:45. 7 p.m. and 7:45. So this is something I can just set it and forget it. This is something that you can set and just forget too. So in terms of durability, the system, the outdoor part that we showed you with the hookup, it's built for whatever conditions Georgia want to throw at us. So it's built for outdoor conditions. One of the things I do love about this system also, another thing I love about this system is that it hooks up, I think I mentioned that it hooks up to your smartphone and it hooks up to your home system. So is the RainPoint system worth it? Absolutely. Absolutely, it's worth it in my opinion. It is worth it because I did it from my phone. We were outside. I did it from my phone where I started both of those valves to start watering the garden. It's absolutely worth it. I can be at church and start the watering because, you know, whatever reason. And peace of mind that I know I said it and I forget it. And but everything else that's going on, you absolutely need something like that. So what RainPoint has done for my subscribers is they're giving you guys 15% off your purchase of the, let me show you, the 2-valve Wi-Fi water timer with smart display hub. They're giving you that. And this is the smart display hub, as Corey was explaining to you guys. See, look at that, my next plant. So when we did that, look at the amount of water we used, and you guys can see that. And my next time, the next time it's gonna go off is at 7. It's already set, and I set it on my phone. So, and the phone works through here. Yes, right, Corey?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So I just want to add, it's durable. It has watertight seals for the battery compartment, so you don't have to worry about rain or because it's a water system. Obviously, it's sealed very well. It's very sturdy, and because all the controls are in your cell phone, you know, the unit's pretty simple. It's straightforward where the water comes out of. All of your controls are in your cellular phone, and I had a concern because the unit's kind of far away from the house, and I was iffy about if it was going to receive the activation.
He sure was. He sure was.
And it definitely worked. So you can put the unit some distance away from your main Wi-Fi, and it will work. So that was a surprise.
Yeah, because he did mention that to me. Oh, it's so far away, and you know the Wi-Fi is here. So do I think that the RainPoint 2-zone watering system is worth it? Absolutely. It's user-friendly. Check. It's customizable. Check. It's hassle-free. Check. Maintains a beautiful garden without constantly fussing with hose and timers. It takes the guesswork out of watering your garden. So, as a thank you from RainPoint to my subscribers, they're giving you guys 15% off. Let me get that right. 15% off your purchase of the RainPoint 2-zone watering system. So please take advantage of that. Please take advantage of the RainPoint's generous offer for the 15% off and get you one of these, because I absolutely would recommend it. So that's it for today's review of our RainPoint 2-zone watering system. I'm getting it down packed. RainPoint 2-zone watering system. Please subscribe, like, share. Also partake in the 15% off on the 2-valve RainPoint watering system. And come back for more reviews and more videos. Thank you and have a blessed day.